Take a ride in the 2018 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power lift gate, power passenger seat, traction control, lane departure warning, running boards, air conditioning, dual airbags, heated rear seats, power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.